Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 12. Let's go straight away to our quiz. Some alleles are dominant and some are recessive. Law of dominance. Expresses in the phenotype capital letters. Dominant trait. Will not be expressed in the phenotype unless both alleles are recessive, lower case. Recessive trait. Having two identical alleles for a trait. Homozygous. An organism that has two different alleles for a trait. Heterozygous. Allele pairs separate during gamete formation and randomly unite during fertilization, producing an offspring. Mendel's law of segregation. The first generation of offspring of the P1 generation continues with the F2 and F3. F1 generation. A gene that has more than two alleles. Multi-alleles. Characteristics that are influenced by more than one pair of genes. Polygenic traits. Genes that control gene expression. Regulatory genes. A condition in which both alleles for a gene are fully expressed. Incomplete dominance. Regulatory genes, codominance. What is in our blood? Red and white blood cells, plasma and platelets, natural ability to clot. One, identify parents' genotypes. 2. Identify all possible gametes each parent could produce. And 3. Set up your punnet square. Dihybrid cross. The variable you change in the experiment. Independent variable. Uneducated guess. Hypothesis. The group that does not receive the experimental treatment. Control group. The uncontrolled division of cells may result in cancer cells. Which type of cancer that females could not get? Prostate. How many chromosomes in the gametes of human? 23. What does not describe cells being made by mitosis? Sexual reproduction. Offsprings are exactly like the parent cell. Asexual reproduction. A trait that occurs with a 3:1 ratio would have which percentage ratio? 75% to 25%. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 12. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.